If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's Kitchen, where I will be making the 56th holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making Magaja Ladoo. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about 3/4 cup of wheat flour or atta, a quarter cup of ghee, a quarter cup of sugar, a pinch of salt. Now take some cloves and 1 black cardamom and make a powder of it, and we need only 1 teaspoon of that. Now in a pan, add all the ghee followed by all the wheat flour, and keeping it on low flame, roast the atta for roughly about 4-5 minutes, and you will see it turns darker in color, and while it's still golden we need to take it out. So don't higher the flame and over roast it like a brown color. So once you get that, switch off the flame and transfer this into a bowl. And let it cool down for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then after that, add a pinch of salt, the powder we made, and the sugar. Now mix it up really well, then take a small portion of it, shape it like a ball, and it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad Magaja Ladoo. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.